Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. Which one you think better? Old clothes or new clothes? Or which one you think better? Old wine or new wine? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your gotta talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you not do it yet, go and go do it now. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure say you no miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 5 from verse 33 to verse 39. Them tell Jesus say, whole heap of time, John follower them keep away from food and pray. The Pharisee them do it too. But fear them and yam and drink. Jesus answer them back say, you think say the people them where the bridegroom invite time wedding fi keep away from food when amongst them? The time will come when the bridegroom are go gone from them. At that time them we keep away from food. Then Jesus tell them say, nobody not tear new clothes fi patch up old clothes. Cause the patch from the new one now go match the old one. Nobody not put new wine in a old wine bottle. Cause the new wine we bust up the bottle and the wine I go dash away. New wine must put in a new bottle. And nobody after them drink old wine. No one new wine, cause them say the old one better. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.